Okay, switch is on auto. Service is on. Set to utility. Turning service off. Service is off. Generator takes a couple moments to sense the power is off so that you don't have service coming on and off during a brief intermittence. Generator's priming. Not sure if you can hear the click. There it goes again. Generator has started. Service panel is still on utility until generator gets up to its full charge. Then it switches to generator. Power is back on in the house. Let's take a quick look inside. You can see and hear the generator running in the background. Power is on.